Alright, today I'm going to show you how to change the filter for the AC in the home. So this is my upstairs, my bonus room, but typically it's in the roof. This one is very accessible, being that it's in bonus room with not so much clearance to the roof. So you just unhook these two hooks, simple as that, and pull the filter out. So usually you can wipe the outside, but it's not that dirty. I mean, it is a little, so I'm gonna wipe it after this video. I don't have the things on me, but replacing, you just place it around the curves. You can wipe around the edges as well, and that's it. Close it back, and secure it with this, and your task is complete. Thanks for watching.